because video creation doesn't have to be a headache. So imagine you can effortlessly transform scripts into engaging videos complete with visuals, voiceovers, and music. And you can do all this without breaking the bank or needing a film degree. So let's get started. Now, INVIDEO is your all-in-one video creation powerhouse. It's like having a personal video production team minus the hefty price tag. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, INVIDEO has got you covered. We give it a 9 out of 10 because INVIDEO is a game changer for video creation. It's easy to use, packed with features, and will not break the bank. The only reason it doesn't get a perfect 10 is that some of the advanced features have a bit of a learning curve. Benefits are ease of use. It's a thing of drag and drop. Then AI capabilities, it has intelligent editing that saves you time. Templates and customization, over 5,000 templates to make your video pop. And it has 24/7 support team ready to help you. As for the pricing, you can see the pricing here. We have the free plan, we have the plus plan, and we have the max plan. We also have the innovative plan. So that's it for the plan. Now for the cons, the free plan has limitations and the advanced feature may take some time for you to master. Apart from that, it's a very great alternative.